Wait, you cannot go outside, it's pouring down. What does it mean? So let's learn 5 common words related to rain. Number 1, drizzle or sprinkle. It means there is very light rain. For example, it is just drizzling or sprinkling. You may go outside. Number 2, downpour or pouring down. It means a very heavy rain. For example, it's impossible to reach there on time because it's damn pouring down. Number 3, shower. It means a very short time rain. For example, there were some showers last night. Number 4, deluge. It means